Hi everyone, this is just going to be a quick tutorial on what to do when you're changing colors in your blanket. You can see that I'm doing a striped blanket here and it's now time to change over to my green color. So what I'm going to do is wherever I want to switch colors, I'm going to pinch and pull my loop out slightly. And then I'm going to cut. And then I'll just pull any extra little fibers that want to come off. Now I'm going to grab my new color and make sure that there's no extra little fluffies hanging off. And I'm going to expose the plastic cord that's in the middle. These fluffy yarns have a little bit of a string or a cord inside and it's plastic. So I'm trying to expose that, and then I'm going to do the same thing on this white yarn. Then to attach them, I'm going to light my green and attach it to my white. I'm just holding here for a few seconds while it cools down. And once it's started to cool off, I'm just gonna start to play with the two strings in the middle of each color and kind of smush them together so that I can get them connected into a little bit of a ball. So there we go, we've got them connected and you can see that it's nice and seamless. Now before we keep going, we need to do a little tug test and make sure that it's nice and strong so that it doesn't fall apart. And finally, we're going to pull our white loop back into place so that we're ready to keep going with our green.